everyone, it's Lainey and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're having the best day ever. If you are new here, I'm so glad you decided to stop by and hang out. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. I'm really excited for today's video. I'm a little behind on getting this filmed. I did get my BoxyLuxe in, and per usual, I'm doing a giveaway. So before we dive on into that, let's do the question of the day. Today's question of the day is, did you guys see that BoxyCharm is launching a new version of BoxyCharm in November? So I'm going to summarize it the best I can. I didn't read into it too much. It's $35 instead of $22, I believe it is now for regular BoxyCharm. You're supposed to get more items. The value is supposed to be a lot higher, and you're also supposed to be able to customize your box. And then I believe with that subscription, if you upgrade to the upgraded BoxyCharm, you also get to pick more items in your BoxyLuxe. So if you guys get BoxyCharm, are you going to upgrade? You know I went right to their website and put my info in to upgrade me when the time comes. It better be good though, because 35 bucks is not cheap. So I think I'm going to give it a month, maybe two, and if it doesn't knock my socks off, I'm going right back to my regular BoxyCharm. Let me know your thoughts down below and if you guys are going to upgrade. Now let's dive on into my unboxing. This month's BoxyLuxe is called All Access. If you don't know what BoxyLuxe is, it's a offshoot of BoxyCharm. It's a quarterly subscription, so instead of getting your regular BoxyCharm for that month, you get a big box. Look at that box. It is more though. The quarterly charge is right at $50, I believe, but you do get more products, bigger values. So yeah, I have really enjoyed it so far. I haven't regretted upgrading to BoxyLuxe. So yeah, that's it. Okay, let's get to this. I'm gonna go through the items I'm keeping for myself first, and then we will talk about the giveaway. So the first item I see here is something I'm definitely keeping, because if you saw my last video, you know I'm a skincare-aholic. It's true. This is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I've never used anything by Sunday Riley that I'm aware of. If my memory serves me well, I don't think I have. This comes in at $65, so already I have earned more than the value I spent on the box, which always makes me so happy when the first item I pull out does that. And if you're wondering why I'm so cranked up, it's because I'm on my third espresso. Okay, so a little bit about this is an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into a next generation water cream. The Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid, love that, and tamarind extract, so your skin looks youthfully hydrated and plumped. Papaya enzymes smooth and exfoliate. Ooh, I love papaya. I love to eat papaya, so you guys, it's the caffeine. While alpha-arbutin visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots, it's supposed to increase your hydration up to 68% in as little as 15 minutes for up to 24 hours. That all sounds amazing. I'm really excited to try this out. I don't want to open it because, like I said, I'm a skincare-aholic and I have quite a few things to get through. So this is going in the backup skincare area. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here and down below, because you guys, I have a problem. The next thing is something I'm really excited about. This is so pretty. The Too Faced Natural Face Palette, $44. Now, I have not purchased this. I really considered it when it first launched, because this is so pretty. The packaging, everything. But $44, I was like, I have so many bronzers, I have so many highlighters, I have so much blush I don't need, but you know, when it comes in here, it's okay. Look at this packaging though, you guys. Too Faced, I swear, I'm sorry at all other brands, Too Faced kills packaging, I think. I don't know, it speaks to my girly soul. I absolutely love it. I love the nude tone, and it's like a heavy, like this is like a luxe. Honestly, it feels like it would cost even more than $44. 2 highlighters, 2 blushes, and 2 bronzers. I did already apply my face makeup for today. So this will be going in with my other bronzers, palettes. Really excited to give this a try. If you guys have tried it and you like it, let me know down below. I believe Kelly, I'm blanking on her name, Kelly here on YouTube. I watch her channel all the time and I can't think of her last name. She is obsessed with this. It's her favorite, so I'm really excited to give that a try. The next thing is a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. I love sleeping masks. I use the Laneige sleeping mask a lot. This is $52. Oh my gosh, that's expensive. There's only 1.7 ounces here. That's crazy. If you were going to purchase a skincare mask, go with the Laneige because I believe it's a lot cheaper than that. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. And this is a small container. Okay, but hey, I'm glad it came in here. It says a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora, locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. If you're not new here, I've talked about it. I'm obsessed with anything with good bacteria, so I can add it into my skincare. I'm thrilled. So, and this is one that you apply to clean skin, and then you just go to bed. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin is going to be looking amazing. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So we're going to set that one aside because it's for one of the lucky Lash fam. Going to set that one aside for one of the lucky Lash fam. Oh, and set that aside for the Lash fam. Alright, the last two items that I'm keeping for myself. One, I'm so excited that I received it. It was this here, the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. I don't know why. I don't think I've ever used a real hair balm, but something about it just calls my name. I feel like I'm going to love it, I hope. Hopefully it's not too heavy since I have fine hair. This comes in at $29 and it's a leave-in hydrating balm that won't weigh hair down. Oh, perfect, yay. The last thing is something I'm gonna keep because this brand holds a special place in my heart. It is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, $22. I wore this brand on my wedding day because I'm telling you, if you need a lipstick that stays put, this is it. Because I wanted to wear bright pink lipstick on my wedding day, but I didn't want to get it all over my husband's face. So I needed something that's going to stay put, and this will stay put. I will say it's not the most hydrating formula. It makes your lips feel a little dry. They can get a little crusty by the end of the day. It definitely works. It stays put. I'm going to throw this on because all I have on is lip liner right now, and I'm super excited because I got a nude shade in Angelo. I said that weird. This is a great color for highlighting the center of the lips. I'm telling you, this will stay here all day long. No joke. This is by far the most long-lasting liquid lipstick I've ever used in my life. I feel like a semi-comparable formula would be the Morphe liquid lipsticks, and they are actually pretty nice, but I would say if you want a cheaper option, very similar. The one thing I do want to throw out there that I was kind of hoping I got, I mean, I'm happy to get this, but part of me was really wanting the pineapple enzyme. It looks like a little pineapple, and it's got a dropper. I don't know. It looks so cute. I'm a little salty about that, BoxyLuxe, but I'll forgive you because so far I'm pretty thrilled with this box. Okay, now let's talk giveaway. I'm super excited about this. First, a little bit more espresso, just what I need. So if you're not new here, you know how my giveaways work, but if you're new here, I definitely want to fill you in. Down in the description box, there will be all the info for my giveaway to make sure you are following the rules so you are entered, so definitely check that out. I have just a few little things you have to follow by. Number one, of course, you have to be a member of the Lash fam, so if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. You will not regret it. Second of all, you do have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. I simply cannot do international shipping at this time. I'm so sorry to any international subscribers. I hope you know that I am so thankful that you are here still and hope to one day be able to do that for you. The third thing is please comment down below with an Instagram handle and hashtag I love my Lash fam. That helps me know who's really entering and gives me a way to contact you. If you don't have Instagram, that part is really not the end of the world. Leave an email and I can reach out to you. So yeah, I think that's everything. Again, it's all in the description box. If I forgot anything, just click the description box. It's all there. Okay, now let's dive into the goodies that one Lash fam member is going to get. I seriously love doing these every month. Okay, the first thing is a Moda Pro brush set. So if you got regular BoxyCharm, it also had a Moda Pro brush set, but it was just a small set. This is a full-on big 8-piece set with face brushes. This comes in at $69.99. Holy crap, these better be good. Wow. This exclusive new Moda Studio set is the ultimate must-have for brush fans. With black quilted handles, silver sleek ferrules, and vegan filaments, these beauties will look smart on your vanity. They look super nice. It looks like, especially if you don't have a lot of brushes in your set, this is going to give you everything you need right here. So really excited for someone to receive this. Let's go on to the item number 2. The second item that one lucky Lash fam member is going to get is a liquid eyeliner. I've never heard of this brand. It is it's Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner, $20. Introducing your latest edition. I can't read. every time, to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant. And the reason I'm giving this away is because I feel like it's the perfect pairing for the final item. You guys, my husband was like, you should keep this. This color's really pretty. And I was like, I can't. I have so much eyeshadow. I want to give back to my Lash fam. So the last item is this beautiful Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. $29. Provides revamped essential shades in an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless combinations. You guys, this is a really beautiful palette. Wonderful neutrals in here, but then a little pop of color here and here. This is a great palette for anybody to have in their collection, especially if you're starting off or you're just like I like a little makeup every day but I don't want to go crazy kind of person. This is wonderful. So that is all the items I'm giving away. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, definitely make sure you're getting in on the giveaway action. I love giving back to you guys. Thank you so much for always lifting me up and give me something to be excited for. Now let's do the shout out of the day. Mars Mott commented on one of my older videos. It was my Sol de Janeiro full review. And actually was so helpful. They let us know that there is a really good deal on the Sol de Janeiro website right now for a $25 travel kit that comes with the mist, the cream, and the body wash. Oh my gosh, thank you for looking out for the Lash fam and letting us know. I know I appreciate it. That's such a good deal, and I'm obsessed with the scent of the Boom Boom cream or Bum Bum cream, whatever you want to call it. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for being a part of the Lash fam. I'm seriously so glad that you're here, and thanks again for the recommendation. You guys, that's all. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to join the Lash fam. Seriously, really, I would. And as always, you guys, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.